The United States Supreme Court simply issued a huge choice that completely rewrites the rulebook for American gun laws. Most citizens absolutely neglected the actual criminal earthquake that took place within the court docket. An 8-1 ruling quietly changed everything. This is not simply another minor judicial replace. This unique Supreme Court ruling dictates exactly how each single destiny Second Amendment case might be judged going ahead. It establishes a trendy framework for checking out the constitutionality of gun manage. The felony battle started over a federal statute known as 18 U.S.C., section 922 G8. This unique law prohibits individuals under active protective orders from legally possessing firearms. A defendant challenged its constitutionality in federal court. To recognize the value of this undertaking, we should look lower back on the landmark Bruen decision from 2022. Bruen compelled lower courts to check all modern-day gun manage towards the historical subculture of the American founding. In June, the excessive court dominated 8.1 to opposite the Fifth Circuit. They officially upheld the federal prohibition disarming people below protective orders. This changed into a near-unanimous message from the very best courtroom in the kingdom. Chief Justice John Roberts wrote the majority opinion. He was joined by every unmarried liberal justice and nearly every conservative justice throughout the whole ideological spectrum. The simplest dissenting vote got here from Justice Clarence Thomas. This detail is rather sizable due to the fact Thomas definitely authored the original Bruen decision 2 years earlier. He created the strict historic check that transformed gun rights across the whole U.S. Justice Thomas changed into the best member of the courtroom who believed his authentic legal test have to be implemented perfectly and strictly here. While the relaxation of the court compromised, Thomas stood alone to shield a rigid interpretation of ancient tradition. But buried deep in the majority opinion is the important idea that rewrites the prison playbook. Chief Justice Roberts declared that the Second Amendment isn't a regulation trapped in amber. This word adjustments the destiny of gun litigation. Roberts defined that the Constitution does not require latest rules to be specific same copies of laws from 1791. He advised federal judges nationwide to prevent treating the Second Amendment like an inflexible museum artifact frozen in time. The courtroom emphasized that the Founding Fathers wrote down enduring standards, now not an exhaustive prison code. Modern gun legal guidelines do no longer want a historic twin to continue to exist judicial review. They only want to fit an ancient principle from the founding. The justices examined ancient surety legal guidelines and going finger statutes from early America. While neither flawlessly matched the contemporary federal prohibition, each shared the equal underlying principle. The founders believed dangerous people can be disarmed to guard the community. By upholding this unique statute, the Supreme Court created a looser preferred for gun control to live to tell the tale. As lengthy, because the authorities can show a current law stalks an ancient principle, it had skipped constitutional muster. This changes everything. Justice Thomas issued a powerful warning in his solo dissent. His argument represents the most steady pro-gun legal philosophy on the bench these days. He argued the authorities failed to provide any historic law absolutely comparable, sufficient to justify the restriction. Thomas pointed out that early American surety laws handiest required a monetary bond. They allowed residents to remain armed as long as they paid the bond. The present-day federal statute demands overall disarmament, which is a fundamentally specific restriction. Thomas believes the new pretty similar standard is a ways too loose. He warns this interpretation will fail to guard regular gun proprietors from future regulations. Politicians can now get dressed up, cutting-edge gun manipulate the use of indistinct historic language to skip the Constitution. The Supreme Court has now mounted 3 foundational pillars for modern gun rights. Heller secured your person proper to preserve a weapon at home. Bruen elevated that precise same safety to sporting a firearm for self-defense in public areas. Now, the Rahimi selection clarifies precisely how lower courts need to interpret historical subculture moving ahead. It acts as the training manual for every single Second Amendment venture currently working its manner through the federal judicial gadget right now. This current ruling quietly altered the prison landscape for debatable measures, like crimson flag legal guidelines. While red flag laws were not explicitly referred to inside the opinion, the core felony precept shielding them became placed at once at the center of it. The next primary Second Amendment battles will certainly be fought on this genuine felony ground. Within weeks of the choice, the Department of Justice took on the spot movement to capitalize on the Supreme Court's new Greater Bendy Ancient framework. Under cutting-edge federal law, those individuals face a permanent and total lack of their Second Amendment rights, irrespective of what their actual crime became. Two one-of-a-kind federal courts have already reached conflicting conclusions about this specific difficulty for the reason that ruling dropped. Cases regarding nonviolent felons are presently moving through federal courts and could affect a long way extra gun proprietors than this specific case ever touched. One predominant case is Range as opposed to Attorney General. Brian Range lost his constitutional rights over an Easy Meal stamp fraud conviction from 1995. He sued the authorities, arguing a nonviolent crime have to now, not identical, an entire life ban. Another vital case is Daniels versus United States. This involves a person stripped of his Second Amendment rights due to antique nonviolent drug fees. Both of those cases assignment the core of the federal felon in possession ban. Both the Third and Fifth Circuit courts formally ruled that banning nonviolent offenders from owning firearms changed into unconstitutional. They implemented the Stern-Bruen test and located no historic subculture of disarming citizens for minor nonviolent offenses. But after the Supreme Court ruling, they dispatched each instances back down for reconsideration. They ordered the lower courts to apply the new, broader historical precept check. Remarkably, both courts struck down the federal bans yet again. Two highly respected federal courts have reached conclusions that at once warfare with the federal authorities' legit position. This approach, the query of nonviolent felons proudly owning firearms, is actually heading lower back to the Supreme Court for a final showdown. Over 8% of all adults within the United States have a few kind of prison document. That equals extra than 26 million people. A large element of those convictions are for nonviolent crimes that by no means concerned a weapon. If the Supreme Court ultimately makes a decision that disarming nonviolent offenders is unconstitutional, it'd trigger a criminal earthquake. The number of Americans legally approved to own a firearm might grow by means of hundreds of thousands, actually overnight across the U.S. of AI. This might constitute the unmarried biggest growth of Second Amendment rights in American records, measured via the sheer range of affected residents. It would redefine who the authorities can legally classify as too risky to work out a constitutional right. Adding to the complexity, Justice Kavanaugh defended examining felony history from the Reconstruction technology around 1868. Opening this broader historical window affords courts with plenty greater historical proof to assess while reviewing modern gun manipulate legal guidelines. Gun manipulate advocates celebrated the decision, calling it a victory that empowers policymakers to disarm residents they deem a verifiable hazard to the overall public. Meanwhile, companies just like the NRA carefully framed it as a really slim ruling based totally on precise information. They issued statements warning gun proprietors no longer to view this selection as an endorsement of broader disarmament schemes or red flag legal guidelines. Harvard Law Review published a proper evaluation noting that the word principle in no way seemed inside the Bruen opinion. It changed into brought right here, and that single word essentially changed the constitutional check for each gun rights case shifting ahead. This 8-1 choice is merely the outlet bankruptcy of a far longer felony technique. Massive constitutional questions remain absolutely unresolved proper now. The federal courts are facing an extraordinary quantity of Second Amendment litigation across the U.S. Challenges concerning attack weapon bans in essential states, strict magability limits, and stringent public deliver restrictions are actively waiting for their day in court docket. They are all sitting inside the judicial pipeline looking forward to the subsequent Supreme Court ruling. The actual divide on the Supreme Court is now clear. It is between folks who need the Bruen check carried out as a strict ancient rule and those who need the flexibility to interpret founding concepts for modern-day circumstances. Justice Thomas is firmly within the strict camp, whilst Chief Justice Roberts leads the bendy approach. The final question is no longer if the Supreme Court will shape your Second Amendment freedoms. It is already actively doing so. The real question is which route the justices will take us next, while the nonviolent felon instances attain their desk. Subscribe to the channel to live up to date as those enormous federal instances unfold and dictate your constitutional rights.